Modern cars aren't just expensive. They're secretly watching you, recording your driving, tracking your behavior, and costing you thousands when something breaks. But smart drivers are quietly going back 20 years, and once you see why, you'll never look at new cars the same way again. The true, inescapable nightmare lies buried, deep within the actual physical machinery of your new acquisition. Purchasing recent models stops providing tangible transport. Instead, you unknowingly acquire fragile, rolling computer tablets rapidly hemorrhaging value daily. It becomes leased programming surveilling your every route, systematically engineered to bankrupt owners immediately after guarantees vanish. Yet a brilliant, underground resistance gathers momentum across countless neighborhoods. Savvy technicians and frugal commuters actively boycott these fresh releases. They leverage something dubbed the retro tech advantage. Today I will reveal this entire hidden blueprint. Right before we begin, please subscribe, smash that like button and tell me down below. Where are you watching Analog Assets from? Are you ready for the truth? Grasping this advantage requires decoding their snare. Inspect interiors manufactured post-2018, authentic. Sweeping needles, erased, satisfying climate temperature dials, banished, sturdy volume controls, missing, substituted instead by an enormous, blinding panel slapped over the dashboard. Manufacturers market this as premium convenience, total deception. Mounting one flimsy LCD costs significantly less than wiring dozens of separate, physical tactile buttons. This represents ruthless penny-pinching masquerading as futuristic progress. Consequently, it transforms into financial dynamite awaiting ignition. Let us dig deeper into this absurdity. Decades ago, basic maintenance demanded minimal specialized tooling or expensive software. Anyone with a socket set could resolve inconveniences affordably. Inside older rides, a snapped heater switch means visiting local salvage yards, acquiring cheap replacements, clicking them fast, restoring comfort seamlessly. Conversely, new platforms bury essential functions deep within fragile coding arrays. When displays crack under intense UV exposure, or inferior microchips melt during minor surges, cooling ceases, visibility fogs, music dies. Your transport instantly morphs into useless driveway ornaments. Returning it to certified technicians yields zero patchwork fixes. They mandate swapping out master command stations, billing thousands immediately. Your machinery essentially gets condemned via digital hiccups. Think that is bad? Just wait. These monitors merely distract you from darker schemes operating out of sight. Anything leaving factories nowadays boasts integrated trackers, maintaining relentless internet uplinks. You steer 2-ton spy devices through suburban streets. Embedded networks continuously log aggressive stopping, rapid speeding plus exact coordinates around the clock. Recently, terrifying realities surfaced broadly. Giant conglomerates quietly bundle this telemetry, auctioning it to shadowy risk assessors, who subsequently forward profiles to coverage providers. Citizens everywhere face skyrocketing monthly policies, not due to collisions, but solely because personal citizens snitched regarding firm halts near amber traffic signals. People spend fortunes obtaining products, programmed to spy and exploit them tirelessly. Furthermore, these algorithms never sleep. They catalog braking habits during downpours and judge your late-night pharmacy runs. They calculate risk profiles based on geographical zip codes you traverse frequently. It represents a massive invasion of privacy, disguised as helpful safety features designed to keep you secure on the road when it genuinely exists to squeeze you dry. But what about the engine? Physical components hidden beneath hoods prove equally trash-worthy. Desperate to satisfy strict emission regulations, brands ditched robust, time-tested power plants. Instead, they force miniature, over-pressurized motors inside gigantic family haulers, linking them alongside gearless bands, acting like oversized elastic straps. Rather than sturdy cogs, massive internal boost routinely destroys critical seals. Internal slippage within these newer gearboxes shreds components into sparkling shavings. Such systems act like explosives, packing short lifespans. Engineers once prioritized resilience. Now planned obsolescence dictates every decision. Vehicles are no longer constructed to survive multiple generations or even multiple owners. They are built strictly to survive the initial lease period before crumbling into a pile of expensive, unfixable electronic garbage. Are we doomed to accept this madness indefinitely? Hardly. Our retrotech strategy pinpoints one glorious epoch of industrial creation. Experts dub this the peak durability phase, spanning basically 1996 through 2008. Why those specific dates? Let's uncover it. 1996 brought standardized diagnostic ports into every cabin sold stateside. Units from this time frame featured dependable spark delivery, ensuring instant cranks during freezing mornings. They utilize basic chips, easily scanned using inexpensive pocket readers from neighborhood shops. Crucially, they integrate supplemental restraints plus decent structural integrity. However, predating the smartphone revolution, they lack toxic tech. Zero blinding displays, zero wireless transmitters leaking routes, zero engine-killing idle shutoffs wearing down crucial parts during traffic jams. Owners utilize jagged metal blades, robust electrical lines, alongside clear instrument panels decipherable instantly. Buyers secure fantastic road readiness minus overbearing oversight or delicate circuitry. Imagine experiencing the absolute pure freedom of turning a key and knowing your movement remains entirely unrecorded. No silent servers processing your destination. No algorithm assessing your risk. Just you, the machine, and the open pavement. This era provided the perfect synthesis of comfort, safety, and independence. It is a stark contrast to the suffocating, hyper-connected ecosystem we are currently forced to endure. So what should you hunt for? Target titans. Browse local classifieds seeking older Japanese imports, specifically mid-sized commuters boasting unkillable reputations. Prioritize inline architectures. These powerhouses rely upon dense, alloy housings utilizing sturdy metallic links, avoiding weak rubber bands. They connect towards old-school, fluid-driven transaxles containing actual machine teeth. Such combinations routinely surpass 500,000 kilometers, requiring purely basic lubrication updates. Require hauling capacity. Hunt down turn-of-the-century trucks.